Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the construction going on at the Harbour Plaza. Now this is where the Shoppers Fair supermarket used to be, and as you can see the building has been demolished. The land has literally been cleared and they're going to start construction on a new building now. They're rebuilding the supermarket. The entire plaza has been given a facelift. It's been renovated, new gates put in, new shops put in, and Burger King actually opened up in this plaza recently. And this will be basically the flagship store for the plaza, or one-off. It's going to be a new Shoppers Fair supermarket and it's going to be built from scratch. So there you can see the zinc fence around the site, but we're giving you guys a drone view today, and the drone seems to work very well with these construction sites because we just fly over the zinc fence. Okay, so for a successful plaza in Jamaica you need three things. One, you need a brand name supermarket, and Shoppers Fair is the largest supermarket chain in Jamaica, and they're going to be building a new building for their supermarket. So without a doubt, it's going to be a nice supermarket. Two, you need food stores. And this plaza has Burger King, KFC, Pizza Hut, and Tasty Patties, along with a few other restaurants, but those are the main ones. KFC alone will bring in the crowd. Burger King will bring in the crowd. So this is it is a very successful plaza, and it's going to be even more successful because of these food stores. The third thing you need is to build the third thing you need for a successful plaza is to build it in a populated area. And without a doubt, Harbourview is one of the largest communities in Jamaica. A very large population. But there is something more why you see this plaza being renovated now. It's because the Southern Coastal Highway that runs from Harbourview to Portland is going to open soon. And that's why you see this plaza getting ready for even more traffic that highway is going to bring. You can drive from Harbourview to St. Thomas in 10 minutes now. 10 minutes. On a highway quality road, a dual carriageway, 4 lanes, paved. I mean, unbelievable. So this plaza will be the main plaza you're going to pass before you get onto the highway. The highway starts at the Harbourview Bridge, which is like a 1-minute drive from where we are now. So you're looking at the plaza, and what you're looking at now is just one side of the plaza. Okay, we're zooming in. Those are stores, but on the other side there, you have more stores. That's where you're going to find the food stores. So this is one side, and then this entire same setup is on the other side of this building. And we just turned the drone, but that's one of the new entrances that were built. So all of these stores were recently renovated, and actually straight ahead you see the sign Shoppers Fair. That's a temporary location for the supermarket while they build a new building where the video started. So you can see the amount of cars parked off there. Okay, that walkway on the left now, it takes you to the other side. So you don't have to drive or go outside the plaza. There's a walkway right there. And coming into view soon, you're going to see one of the new gates that were built. So there is a walkway that takes you to the other side of the plaza. Now that's the Harbourview roundabout. And also, when you're going to the Norman Manley International Airport, that's the roundabout you take to get to Palisadoes, and 2 minutes later you're at the airport. And when you leave the airport, this is the first plaza you're going to come across. So if you just come to JA and you need gas, there are 2 gas stations here. That's one of them we're looking at. Ironically, both gas stations are total. That's one there, and a few seconds up the road, literally walking distance. You can stay at one gas station and see the other one. It's another total. But that was because Total bought out another gas station chain, so they ended up with two totals so close to each other. And so if you leave the airport, this is the first plaza you're going to come to when you come into Jamaica. So that's also going to bring a lot of traffic. So we'll keep you guys updated. We'll make an update video every 2 weeks to show you the progress that's going on with this construction site. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.